students, how are you all? Class 2 today. Take out your English textbook and look at page 18 on exercise C. Now basically today I hope you all know that what is a noun. Noun is basically a name of a place, person, thing and animal, like John, city, ball and dog. Now John is a name of a person, so it is a noun. City is the name of a place, it is a noun. Ball is the name of a thing, so it is also a noun. And dog is also a name of a animal, so it is also a noun. So now what we have to do in this exercise, now let's see. All the words in the list below are noun. All the whatever the words they are mentioned, all are noun. So but one is different from the other, like but the one is different from the other, like one is dog, the other is chair, the one is thing, the one is animal, the one is thing, the one is name, or what is every one is place, something, everything is different from other. Underline the noun and state the reason why it is different. We have to underline the noun which is different in the given in the list, in the number of the things, and we have to state the reason why it is different. And one is done for us, and we can look at the number 1 sentence, students. Chair, table, apple, desk, bench. Now chair and table are one or are related to one another. Desk is also related to one another. Bench is also related to chair and table. They all come in furniture. But apple is a fruit. We all know na, apple is a fruit. So but all these things are noun, because they are all things are things, so they come in noun. So apple is different because it is a fruit, and the rest are furniture, and the rest are furniture. So like this we have to do with the rest of the blanks. So now look at the second one. Milk, water, ink, tea, coffee. Now milk is drinkable, yes or no? Water is drinkable, we used to drink water. Ink, it is not drinkable, it is used in, it is, yes, no doubt, it is in the form of the liquid, but it is not used for drinking. It is used in our pens for writing, yes. And tea is also used for drinking, and coffee is also drinkable. So we will write what is different in it. Mark, underline the noun that's which is different. Ink is different. Underline, we have to underline why ink is different. Write ink here. And why ink is different? Because it is not a drink. Yes, it is not a drink. Write drink here. Note down. Please do it with me. Students, please do it. Note down with me. Look at the third sentence. Third sentence. Line, crow, peacock, parrot, pigeon. Now if you see, crow, peacock, parrot, pigeon all come in the category of birds. All are birds, but lion is not a bird, we all know. So we will underline line. And why line is different? Line is different because it is not a, as I told you, crow, peacock, parrot, pigeon are birds, so it is not a bird. So we will write line is different because it is not a bird, yes. Now look, fourth sentence. Teacher, doctor, postman, policeman, scooter. Now teacher, doctor, postman, policeman, all these are one sort of professions. Teacher is also a profession, doctor is a profession, postman is a one or another way as a profession. He used to take a letter from one place to another, and policeman is also a profession. But scooter is not a profession. So underline scooter. Scooter is a thing on which children used to play, and they used to go from one place or another, yes. So we will write scooter here. Write scooter here. And why scooter is different? Because it is not a profession. Yes, it is not a profession. It is a thing on which children used to put one foot on the on it and one on the floor, and they used to write. This is not a profession. Onions, potatoes, carrots, oranges, radish. So all these are, if you see oranges, if you see onions, potatoes, they are vegetable. Carrots also come in vegetables. Oranges do not come in vegetables. So we will underline oranges. Radishes also are vegetables. So we will write oranges are different. Oranges are different because it is not a vegetable. Yes, it is not a vegetable. Hope oranges are different because it is not a vegetable. I hope you all have marked all these in your book. All is all for today.